viewers, welcome back to my channel. I am Rakshita, currently pursuing B. Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, Department of Electronics and Communication. My USN is 1VE22EC090. Now let's know about the introduction to communication. Communication plays a crucial role in the basic electronics. Effective communication ensures safety, successful transmission of information. It involves the exchange of signals or messages between electronic devices. Types of communication: wired communication, which involves physical connection like cables or a wire. Wireless communication using electromagnetic waves for signal transmission. Optical communication utilizing light signals for data transfer. Some are email, instant messages, social media. Mail is a Electronic mail allows individuals to send or receive messages instantly and promoting effective communication across long distances. Instant messages, popular platforms like WhatsApp or messengers facilitate the real-time communication, enables quick and interaction conversation. Social media. Social media is a platform like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram allow users to share information, ideas and encourage the discussion with a long audio. Advantages of this communication: speed. Electronic communication allow messages to be sent or received instantly. Reduce the time need for information exchange. Global connectivity. It enables communication across the borders, connection individually or business worldwide, which we can communicate with other countries through this communication. Cost effective. Electronic communication eliminates and inhabits the needs of physical media and reduces cost across with the traditional method like postage. Best practices for effective electronic communication: clear and clear and considered messages. Use clear and considered languages to ensure your message is clear to understand. Active listening. Pay attention to the detail and the active listen which communicates electronically to avoid misunderstandings. Respectful and professional communication. Maintain the professional tone to show respect in the electronic communication. Principles of this communication: sender. Sender who sends the messages to the opposite person. Receivers who collects the messages from the sender. Medium. Medium plays a role between sender and a receiver. It's a pathway through which a signal transfer. Modes of communication: simplex, one-way communication, sender to receiver. Half duplex, two-way communication but not stimulation. Full duplex, stimulating two-way communication. Communication protocol in electronics. UART. UART is a serial communication protocol used for the asynchronous data transfer. 12C. 12C is an inter-integrated circuit. A, a multi-master, a multi-savior scenario server communication protocols. SPI is a full duplex synchronous series interface commonly used for the short distance communication. Communication components. There are some components of communication: transmission. Transmission which converts audio, video or the data into a suitable signal of transmission. Receiver which converts received signal back into a original form. Medium, a device that modulates or demonstrates signal of transmission over the various media. Change in communication. Analog communication, using continuous signal to transmit information. Digital communication, where utilizing discrete signal responsible by the binary digital. Mixed signal communication. Mixed signal communication, combining analog and digital signal for data transmission. Communication is a centroid to all meaningful, collectible, and teamwork. Communication keeps a whole organization move. There are different ways we can communicate, such as writing communication, verbal communication, non-verbal communication, and visible communication. There are number of different types of communication channels exist as listed below. Face to face conversation, video conference, audio conference, mail, writing letters, chatting or messages, formal writing documents, spreadsheet, etc. There are above channels need to identify, such as using effectively and achieving maximum impact and richness of information as discussed. Communication techniques. Um, AM, that's amplitude modulation. Various of amplitude of a carrying signals to transmit data. Frequency modulation, that is FM, alternating the frequency of carrying signals to convey information. Puzzle wide modulation, that is PWM, change the width of a puzzle to represent data. Communication is a mandatory in different fields for processing, controlling, making decisions, and planning. Different fields are financially occurring, establishing, personal, marketing, sales, purchasing, producing, etc. These are the artificial discussion with electronic communication types, protocols, and electronic communication applications. Further trending in communication. Now its IoT plays an important role in present scenario where internet is used in all over the world. It's been more popular. Without internet there is a no world in the present scenario. Interconnectivity of devices for seamless communication. 5G technology. Nowadays some phones are having 5G technology which have high speed wireless communication for enhancing connectivity. Artificial intelligence. Now people are making now, more and more robots, making the artificial intelligence more useful, like GPS trackers, etc. Intelligent communication system of autonomy. Introduction to modulation in communication. There are some modulation while we are communicating. Modulation is a fundamental process in a communication system which involves modifying a carrier signal to carry information. Modulation allows the effective and renewable transmission of data. Some types of modulation are, as I said, amplitude modification, frequency modulation, phase modulation. Now last not but least, this communication never ends at all. Now let's know about the conclusion of this communication. The conclusion of the communication is a final stage of any interaction or the conversation. The surveying of a summary of the main points to discuss during this communication process. The conclusion provides closing or helps to ensure the message has been effectively. As 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 I said, now it's been understood very clearly where communication plays major role in our society. To communicate we use more mobile phones. Nowadays more mobile phones are there, and IoT and artificial intelligence are mainly used worldwide. Nowadays our country is been improving, developing due to this all IoT, like internet 5Gs, etc. Thank you guys. Please do support, like, share my channel. Thank you.